back on the ship. It is now 3:42 ship time. I think on board time was at 5:30, so we beat that by a couple hours, as we generally like to do, because
we ain't trying to be pure worms.
we ain't trying to get
Let me pull over.
Then how's it going, guys? Adam and I here, straight from Roatan, Honduras, with the Parkers. Wonderful day. They loved it. Better than the first experience here.
Yeah.
So if you ever need me, please give them a shout out. I'm sure they'll have my contact. You'll be able to reach me out through WhatsApp or Instagram, and they'll have the contact for you guys to be able to have good service here.
All right.
Thank you guys for coming.
Thank you.
Hope to
Thank
see
you.
y'all soon.
Yeah.
Hey guys,
Do we look tired? Because I feel like we look tired.
it has been an amazing but yet exhausting day in Roatan, Honduras.
Yes.
So we're now back on the ship. It is now 3:42 ship time. I think on board time was at 5:30, so we beat that by a couple hours, as we generally like to do, because
we ain't trying to be pure worms.
we ain't trying to get
Update. It's 5:32 and we're still here. Y'all know I like to be back on the ship.
I also like to be back on the ship. Don't act like I'm not the one who. I also like being back on the ship. Yeah, this is not our usual. For once, we're not back on the ship 2 hours before. For once, but it's okay. It is fun.
No.
So yeah, so now we're back in the room. The rest of the day is going to consist of doing a bunch of nothing.
Absolutely not.
So we're probably going to take showers, get comfortable, go downstairs for a drink,
Yeah.
soda for me, maybe a drink for her, and then kind of just chill out for the rest of the day. There are no shows that we're really interested in today, so we're really just not gonna do anything the rest of the day. We were able to get our passport stamped at the port, at the information center, right before you go to the taxis.
Yeah.
We'll insert a picture to where you can get that done.
For a donation.
For a donation, I'm sorry, yes. So we just put in a couple bucks and got stamped and kept it moving. Siobhan met a friend.
Yeah, I met Amy from Sea Cruisers, and we had a nice conversation. It was so nice to meet her because I've been watching her for a while. So she's one of the first actual cruise vloggers that I started watching. So Yeah, we met Amy, and we'll probably meet up with her again today. Sometime before the cruise is done.
Yes. So yeah, that's the extent of the rest of our day. Like I said, it was an amazing day. Got a lot of good content, and now we
relax.
Rest.
Yeah.
We rest.
Yes.
So we will see you guys later, whenever that is. Bye.
There he is. That's a man.
That guy Tommy.
That guy Tommy. Tommy's a man. Yeah, I guess we will share the one thing that we have noticed on the ship. Every single day, somebody has hit the floor.
Tripping hazards on this.
Somebody has fallen every single day. Like, I don't know. It's a lot of little peaks and valleys that if you don't pay attention to, you can hit. Like, and I notice, and Brandon will tell me quick that I don't pick up my feet. There's been plenty of times that I have did a little quick shuffle, almost falling because because there's so many little unseen peaks in the floor. And we're gonna show you guys our view as we report. Take care. Thank you, Miss Carla, for being here. We appreciate it. You be well as well. Here's what we're looking at. Here's the pilot ship here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, so I know the day in Honduras has been a long day. Thank you guys for sticking with us. Unfortunately, we have lost some of our footage. So what we're going to do is just put in a photo montage of what we can find. We finished the night with the lyrics show, and then we went to have dinner at Chibang's. And how did you feel about dinner at Chibang's, Brendan?
I didn't like it, Siobhan. I didn't like it at all.
Okay, he didn't like it at all. So that's what you guys are seeing in the photo montage. We are going to go ahead and wrap up this day in Honduras. As you guys can see, it was a long day, and then we will go on to our next day, which is the sea day. So see you guys for the next video, and thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Siobhan.
And this is Brandon.
And we are... Yeah.